Hi, Healthy Wealthy Mogul channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mira. Today I'm going to show you guys how to shop the grocery within your budget. And I know it's tough to because of inflations and everything's happening in life in general. So we have to try to do whatever we can. And I found some treasures in today's grocery shopping. So I'm going to share with you guys. I think it might be in the middle of the video, so go and keep watching. And if you are new, welcome. If you're my friends already, hey, thank you so much for coming back and spend time with me. Do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so it will notify you whenever I upload the very good videos. So I usually pick up some routine grocery, and some I also rotate some items, so you cannot see it if you pay attention to my grocery weekly, and I think it will benefit for you. And I pick it up banana and orange, and my family is with me today and they are actually helping me shop, and they usually are very helpful, and I teach my son how to shop grocery with price and the items. And I look at the my grocery shopping has a kind of madness in this craziness happening in this world. So I have I usually shop the quality, if it's a good quality, and I also look for not damaged items, and I also pay attention to the unit price. And the last one I pay attention to is a volume. So the volume matters because of the if you're a bigger family, then you can spread them and share the love, right? So those are the pay attention to these four items. And I have my grocery list. I usually put it on my the on the Google Excel sheet, so that's what I'm picking up from my cell phone. I love the cucumber. They're always really nice to have it on the side of your meal, either make a salad or either just peel it and just eat it up. And I love my vegetable fresh, and that is broccoli crowns, and they stay on the same price, so I'm so happy about that. And some of the fruits are stuff my families are picking up around the stove, so I give them a few items and they look around. So I love tomatoes, so my son and me always eat the tomatoes. My husband eat it too whenever I cut it, so we all share it every day pretty much a little bit. And I usually pick it up a pound. We are growing tomatoes in the yard too, in our garden, so my son is helping me picking up tomato, making sure that they're not rotten or anything yucky and sucky, so that we can enjoy them instead of refrigerator eat them up. What I'm saying, we forgot them, and it's just always rotten. It's kind of pretty sad. So anyway, so do you guys like shop like weekly, or do you guys do like every other week? And let me know in your comments. I would like to see what is your grocery shopping plan now, so I can see if I like it too. This onions is I look at it, and always trying to choose the farm onions again, making sure that they're not softy somewhere. And garlic I usually refill once a month, and I cook it in all the meals almost, and it's usually healthy item to have it and in your refrigerator. This is my sunshade stuff that to cover my skins and my face, especially. The eggs price are like usually awkward right now. They're always like changing, and this week price high, but it doesn't mean the actual price is gonna be high though. So this one is milk. I'm just trying to grab milk, and I usually trying to pick up the half-gallon size. In the past I pick out the whole one and never finish it and over drink it, so I just try to stick with medium one, half-gallon. I'm trying to stick around the meat and to see it's time for me to purchase meat now. So your treasure item is coming, so I'm looking for the all these stickers, the red items, and to see is there any savers that I can see. And I don't see that. Oh, what I see, I found the treasure, 99 cents per pound. So I like calling my husband, and I say, Jeff, come here, I found something. So he's like, come here, run toward to me, and I like my son and my husband like helping me to stop to get the chickens, because they both like chicken, and I make a lot of different chicken. They all gone in our shopping cart now. So I know it's not, we never usually get that much, so we got them today. My son like to buy fish, so he's showing me the prices, and I'm just looking at it with him. And so we do use this soap. We just recently changed it to this one for our hands, and usually price wise and quality wise is pretty work out fine, so we stick with that. We clean our hands a lot, so that's why we don't, that is not for a week though, just for like, soaps are household goods item. I'm just showing you bread that because they brought it for me in the car. So I'm gonna show you around what here in the new in this week, and you can look at this little glass kettle, look really cute. Sometimes I'm just showing you, but I'm not buying them because I have to stay within my budget. And recently our bathroom has issues, so we have to fix it with the SOS, and we have accepted. So it cost us $400. So there is 400 go. And we have to take care of stuff. A lot of things happening. So school stuff, and schools are changing things, and we might need to be moving school. So a lot of things. So I'm just showing you like where I can control in terms of like feeding family healthy, at the same time able to have enough money in order to pay other bills. So these are little cute stuff that we can, if I never buy here on this kind of item yet, but I do like there are a couple items that I'm going to show you in a later. The welcome mat, I always want it. So this one, the rain boots, I love it. I've always want to have a lot of those for myself too, but I bought one for my son before and he really liked it. And so it's so good. I think I bought two maybe because his size is bigger now, so I bought two from here. It works out really well. They like to stamp on the little puddles. So we used to have a puddles in St. Louis, Missouri, in our driveway, but that now we do gardening, so it's nice to have a rainbow. So this one is a gift bag. At Dollar Tree, you can have $1.25, but this one has a little tissue too. So it's kind of like more like branding. I think I think price is a little bit expensive for me, even though it's like however cents is. I love to have a bed tray, but I think I might spray everywhere on the bed, so probably not getting it today. And this one is, I thought, oh, so cute. I always like organizing stuff. But then I don't want to end up with all the things stuck around each other, and I don't have a place to sit, so not buying it. But if you need something that organized, if you have things everywhere, then those would be nice to have. I like this kind of thing. It's so cute, but you know what? It's cannot handle those that way. So I just stuffed out everything in the machine, in the drawers. So I like this one. That one day I want to be great at making pizza because my husband like to eat pizza. So those are all the outdoor stuff that put them together. I thought this is so cute. Currently, we do not have a grill at home, but this is a cover though. But one day maybe I'll save up money and I'll buy a gift for my husband maybe. So that's a surprise that we're thinking about it between me and my son. That I like to have that one, but then there is a hole on the side everywhere, so I'm not sure that I want it. So this one, they want to get it. They've been talking about it. They want to get this one for a long time. So since they found it here, I've been postponing that item for months. So I bought that one today for them because they do like to do gardening in their garden. So I like that one, Power Blaster. I thought that is really cool. I want to have it, but you know what? I'm not getting it. It's just my thought, and then my actions are sometimes I have to control my thoughts. So that's a garden table or something like that. This is more trash cans and sneak peek weekly special. I thought that's cute. And then I'm gonna show you this rug, area rug. So this is very nice. That you don't want to. Sometimes it's very nice to step on the rug. It's soft. Make you feel relaxed and calm, and you can meditate. You can do exercise. And I just want to show you how big it is. It's on the floor, so you can see it. Here is like the stuff that you can see at the front. Usually they put some discount stuff, usually where the turkey usually stay there. But this is not turkey season, so ice cream season. I think seasonal stuff, you can say that. So I don't usually buy anything from here unless there's super exciting stuff that I might pick it up. I want to buy the egg rolls, but they say gluten free and everything. I don't really know. I'm allergic to stuff, but not like that, so I'm gonna skip that. Just showing the pizza, if you guys like pizza. I'm not pizza person. I'm more like chicken wing person. But these are the stuff. I don't usually buy anything meat already seasoned. It's just sometimes a little bit weird. I thought this shrimp is like, oh, I really was tempted to purchase it, but then I skipped that. So I do skip a lot. There's a Yasso ice cream. I saw that on the commercial. I was like, not buying it. I'm not sure. So we have good news, right? The ice cream, my son was doing bingo in the community thing event that we were doing it, and we win like the whole year a pin or a pint of ice cream from Culver's every month free. So we're just like, hallelujah. So we're picking up free ice cream every month. So we're skipping all these ice cream here. Usually I pick it up one every month or something like that, or every, who knows, whenever they ask for something, and I just put in my budget and I just bought it for them. My family, than me. So these are the ice cream. I always inspired by those chocolate ice cream. But anyway, here's the price. Oranges, like usual price, not on sales anything. Banana, apples, so I think it's 2.99. I don't have a receipt with me right now, so these are the prices I was showing you. I'm picking out they pick out the cereal for them to eat. I usually eat some, maybe a toast of bread with the cucumber, not cucumber, with the avocado, stuff like that. I eat something like that. So avocado, I bought like 3 or 4 of them for the week. I've been changing the diet. So if you like this video so far, please go and put a little thumbs up. Let me know what kind of things are you doing for your own health. Are you trying to be much more in health concern, like in terms of, trying to get fit, or summer is coming, you can wear nice swimming suit and all this stuff, right? But in Florida, everybody wears swimming suit every time, so there's no season anyway. So I myself trying to fit. I'm trying to lose 20 pounds. I know it's a lot of pounds, right? But I've been doing like, stay and study. So, and I buy chicken right here. It's like, guess how much? And I show you the price too. It's like, hallelujah, for months. I'm going to divide them up and, split them up and cook a lot of meals for, it's like a 50 pounds. You can see that their price difference, and depends on their each bags. So like drumsticks, all of them. So I just counted how many, 10. And the price total is $47.76. So that is a total. There's no tax here. And in Florida, guys, don't forget that it might be different on your in your city and state. So that is what I got, and I'm gonna head out now. I just want to show you what I got today and share with your friends, and come and shop with me next time. I usually shop once a week, and leave me a comments, and how you're shopping every week. Are you doing it every week, bi-monthly? Have fun, and I'll see you next video, and thank you so much, and God bless.